And I also just personally have to give all the love in the world for the current Diablo 4 team, because I've spent most recently out of the Blizzard games, spent a huge amount of time in Diablo, and they've created some, and it's not just the loot. All right, it's the whole experience, the art, everything together, and the season they've created. They've created a really wonderful world. So I could feel how much effort goes into that.
They're crushing it. And I think Diablo 4 in like modern times is one of the best worlds that have built, and they understand Diablo players.
Mhm.
Like that community is so hard and so demanding, and that team is amazing.
Yeah, there's a lot of richness. It's like it's really. I mean, I don't know how often you get that, but it's really the perfect Diablo game. They've really like evolved a lot, grew a lot. So there's this whole mathematical component of just so many numbers everywhere, and it's all balanced really masterfully. And then, of course, you have to come up with new content with the seasons, and they figure out ways to do that. So, and a crazy pace,
Yeah.
and still make it super fun.
They're a great live team. Yeah.
And for me personally, like I said, the couch co-op experience has been really like that aspect of it is really great. Just all of it is one of the greatest games in recent history.